Hello everyone and welcome. I hope you are always doing well, and today's recipe can be served as lunch or dinner, and it is made with potatoes. It is stuffed in a simple way, so follow along from start to finish. Here I have 3 large potatoes, and if they are medium size, use 5. I also have 1 onion sliced thinly across so it doesn't separate. I have 3 medium bell peppers, or you can use 2 large ones. They are red peppers sliced into thin strips, and now we move to the method. I use the coarse side of the grater and start grating the potatoes. I grate them completely and then I come back. After grating the potatoes, I rinse them with water. This helps remove the excess starch. I let the potatoes drain well and come back once ready. Once fully drained, I add 3 eggs. I add 1 onion and 2 thinly sliced peppers. The onion should be sliced thinly and cut across, not lengthwise, so it doesn't separate while cooking. I add 2 tablespoons of parsley. I am using frozen parsley. Fresh parsley is better if you have it. I mix everything together with the eggs. I mix until well combined and keep it short. I add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I add half a teaspoon of black pepper. I add 1 teaspoon of salt depending on taste. The amount depends on the quantity of potatoes and vegetables. I mix again until everything is well combined. I grease the baking paper with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Make sure to grease the sides and the center well. I pour the mixture onto the tray. I spread it evenly over the tray. Now it is evenly spread. I smooth the edges with a spoon so it cooks evenly. I bake it at 200 degrees for 25 minutes. Now I prepare the filling. In a pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, I add sliced onion. I saute it until soft and lightly golden. until it turns golden. I stir it gently from time to time. I add 200 grams of chicken breast cut into thin strips. I saute it for about 7 minutes. I add thinly sliced green pepper. I also add 2 thinly sliced red peppers. I cook until the chicken is done and the peppers are tender. I add paprika, salt, black pepper, and cumin. Half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of cumin. I also add 2 cloves of garlic. These are all the spices used for the filling. I let everything cook slightly until softened. Once cooked, I add 20 grams of cheese. Any cheese you have is fine, just a small amount. I mix everything together and turn off the heat. Now I move on to the next step. I take the potato base out of the oven. After 25 minutes, I cut it like this. I cut it evenly. I flip each piece this way. This step is done before cutting it fully. So the bottom side becomes the top. I add the filling. I hold it gently. I fill it with the prepared mixture. I fold it carefully so it does not break. It should look like this. I place it on the baking tray. Let it cool slightly so it holds together. This makes it easier to handle. Even if it is still warm, it can be handled. I continue until everything is finished. Then I sprinkle grated cheese and parsley. I put it back in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. This is the final result. You can serve it for lunch or dinner. I served it with a fresh salad. I hope you liked today's recipe and try it. It is delicious and both kids and adults will love it. For individual serving, I served it with diced salad and carrots, with some mayonnaise and a light sweet touch. Everyone can adjust it to their own taste, along with tomato and onion salad in a classic Moroccan style. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. As you can see, the filling is rich and tasty. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.